What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel we can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial, and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. We all know that feeling of the daily routine to get yourself up and ready for work and hopefully be able to make it in time without giving your boss another reason to raise his voice at you. We all have been there, right? 8-10 hours a day playing work politics, gossiping, micromanaging, and silos, and all you want to do is make money and go home to your family. When it comes to introverts, that goes through the same scenario day in and day out, having it even worse. They don't even want to step foot into the outside world, let alone the workplace. But we all need to make that money, right? So for all the introverts out there, let's go over some home-based business ideas to see if any one of these suit your needs and skill sets. I will have some links down below on here where you can get started along with some courses. So let's get into number one. Virtual assistant. Having a virtual assistant job as a side hustle or full-time entails routinely interfacing with 1 or up to 5 people depending on how much you can spread yourself out. It typically be done entirely remotely, making it more appealing to introverts. Virtual assistants can expect to make between $10 to $20 an hour depending on your employer for a number of tasks like managing calendars, posting content on website, social media, reading, writing, responding to emails, and scheduling appointments. Number 2, pet sitting business. If you're an animal lover, you can make a ton of cash in doing so when it comes to starting a pet sitting business. With a simple app you could download and get you started, you have to fill out the information that will explain dates you're available, what service you can provide, what animal type and size you will allow to sit in your surrounding area. You enter all this information and the app will do the rest when it comes to clients. All of this is done in the comfort of your own home. Number 3, online coaching, which involves guiding clients towards their professional personal goals via virtual platforms. If you have expertise in particular areas such as life coaching, career guidance, or fitness, you can market yourself service online. Introverts may find this side hustle rewarding as it allows for deep, meaningful interaction on a one-to-one basis rather than dealing with large groups. As an online coach, expect to spend time creating personalized plans and resources for your clients, but also satisfying of seeing them achieve their goals. Over time, building a strong online presence can help you expand your search and increase your income. 4, online tutoring. If you're fluent in different languages or subject matter such as math, science, reading, and you have the love of helping people, this could be a lucrative, quiet, money-making gig. To solidify your position with online tutoring, I will also leave a link down below in regards to homeschooling certification you could take up. Though not required, but once again, to make your side hustle or upcoming business more professional. Number 5, translator. If you're fluent in any language and have the proper skill set and knowledge when it comes to banking, filling out applications, this could be an introvert job for you. Through your mobile phone or laptop, you and your client can video chat with whomever they want, such as a banker, doctor, and what service provides is a communication between the two parties to make sure everyone understands one another and are on the same page. If you're an introvert, starting a side hustle could be a great way to earn extra income while playing to your strength of working independently. While it may seem intimidating at first, it doesn't have to be. Here are the 5 steps to get you started. Number 1, identify your interests and skills. Before you get started on a side hustle, you need to identify your interests and skills. Think about what you're passionate about, what type of work brings you joy, and what unique skills and knowledge you bring to the table. Number 2, research potential opportunities. Once you've identified your interests and skills, start researching potential side hustle opportunities that fit those qualities. Look for tasks that are both enjoyable and profitable. Number 3, create a plan. Before taking the plunge and starting your side hustle, create a plan to ensure success. Set goals for yourself, map out how you will reach those goals, and determine how much time and money you need to invest in order to make it happen. Number 4, market yourself. Once your plan is in place, start marketing yourself to potential customers or clients. Use social media, join online freelance websites, or create a website to showcase your skills and services. And number 5, take action. Finally, take action and start your side hustle. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone does at some point. As long as you learn from your mistakes and keep trying, you will eventually find success. I wish you the best. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.